There's 7 cords of wood in this structure. Believe it or not. So I'm sitting here having a beer. What am I drinking, people? Colorado peeps, we're in the house. We got the fat tire going. And I'm burning pine needles and just marveling at this camp again. The lake is nice and calm. The sun's going down. Got a good fire going, and and I've got a new canoe as of today. We have to get ready to bring to Barter Faire. The guys are going to actually take care of the blue pine here, the big one. We're going to get her out either before, during, or after Barter Faire, and they know the plan. I believe they'll wait for me to be here. I'd like to do it before I go, but if not, when I come back, it should be ready. They should be ready to go. And so, yep, that's right. We got a new 14 or 15 foot canoe coming our way, and that's what's going to Barter Faire. Another big pine. Crazy but true. Cheers, everybody. Canoe, canoe.
I cannot believe that soft.
Beautiful wood here.
You can see the worms are they want to go in the wood, but they haven't gone in yet.
Yeah, oh no, they ain't gonna stand a chance. Hell, you ought to see how many I'm fighting off on that big one.
Wow!
Nice.
That's way better than a draw knife.
Okay, yeah, draw knife is a slow go on this. That's beautiful.
Wow.
Well, that's her top there. She's sitting flat on her bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Barter Faire Canoe. She's roughed out and ready to be loaded. We'll be chopping on Thursday, people. Canoe, canoe. Canoe, canoe.